know that you can print boom cards? The first thing you would need to do is log into your boom card account and go to your library right here. And once you've clicked on the library tab, you can look through your library and decide which one you want to print. This one here is called Polar Opposites, and this would be a great one to print. So you're going to click on Action, and the drop down box will come up. You're going to go to Print, click on that, and it's going to load all of the cards. Now this is a way to choose how many cards per row. Here's 1 card per row, so you can see that they're just stacked on top of each other. You could choose to print 2 cards per row, so it will get smaller, or 3 cards per row, even smaller. So I'm going to choose 2 cards per row and click on Print Deck, and all of your options are going to come up for printing. And here's the option to click to print them in black and white, and you can see that with the 2 cards per row I have 6 cards per page, and you can go over here and choose color and see what that looks like. You can go ahead and print them in color, and you can go into more settings and you can change the scale. You can make it bigger. Let's see what that looks like. So they're larger, but that one's not fitting on the page, so I'm going to go lower than that. Let's see how that looks. There, that fits. Okay, so you can change the size and make your adjustments, and then when you're ready you just go up and click Print, and then your boom cards will start to print out.